Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. Okay, for that we will need next to the phone this SIM ejection tool. It's part of the box, so here has been the phone in before, and below you will have here a little white box. Move it like that here, and on the other side you will find the SIM ejection tool. So just move it like this. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you could use of course also the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the top of the phone the SIM tray. And next to the SIM tray, you will find a small hole there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Yet this SIM tray you are able to insert next to the main SIM card if you want also a second SIM card or a microSD card to extend the internal storage. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You will place it always here at the first position. So missing corner on missing corner here. This is how it should look like. And the contacts are below. Okay, and as I said, you can insert also a second SIM card if you want. For that you need that space here. So also your missing corner on missing corner just fits like this. And the contacts are here as well below. In case, if you want to extend the internal storage with a microSD card, there is no space for a second SIM card. So you need a full space here. Just place your microSD card like this, press a bit that it's well inserted. So this is how it should look like then. And as you can imagine, the contacts are below. Okay, and after you can put your construction back into the phone, close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me to don't miss a new video and so on. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.